enjoyed working in a school and residential setting. I worked in the school as a high-level teaching assistant and then was able to work upstairs in the care side of things. I realised actually how much I loved making a difference to the children's lives, that's when I decided to move up there permanently and work within the care setting.
No day is the same. It can be very challenging, but the reward outweighs the challenges.
You typically come in, we start at 10 o'clock in the morning. If the kids are in school, then it's do whatever jobs you need to do around the house, you know, checking the money's all correct, checking all the shops are fine, taking the medications, cleaning the house, doing any shopping if need to be. Then it'll be pick the kids up, school time, take them out for something during the day or the afternoon at that point, then tea time, and then settling down for bed.
I think values are really important, and I think being committed to the role, I think being caring, I think resilience is really important because it can be rocky at times. If you're going through an emotional roller coaster with that young person or that child, you need to be resilient enough to ride it with them and help them through to the end. I think you need to be dedicated to the young people and passionate. This is a vocation. I think that it's important that you know, it's in the core of your being that you want to make a difference and that you care about the outcomes for these young people, that you really care about their sort of journeys and you want to be a part of that and steer and guide the young people to, you know, have fulfilment in their lives.
No, not at first, you don't, I think, but you need to be willing. You need to be willing to work towards the level 3 diploma and, you know, and other qualifications that will help you in your role to keep you safe and to give you the best knowledge and experience that you need to look after these young people. We are a therapeutic provision, so we focus massively on the therapeutic support, so it'd be really important to have like PACE, DDP, proactive approaches and trauma-informed practice. But as long as that, you have your safeguarding, you know, your health and safety and food safety and things like that.
I mean, sometimes the children do present with challenging behaviour and that can be quite difficult. But we're trained, we bring our training to it, and we support each other as a team. We all get on. And we know we've all got each other's backs, and if we need that little bit more, we've got managers we can speak to and therapists that come round once a month and make sure that we're fine and we're doing okay. So we get to chat with all the professionals, and we keep each other's backs as well.
How resilient the children are in different circumstances, with their own backgrounds and futures, and yet they seem to be really strong and really resilient.